All right, Friday friends, find a piece of paper. It's a test time. Mom and Dad, I need you to ask the kids to write you a letter, a number, draw you a shape, and if you want to even make it trickier, give them their box of crayons and have them do it in a specific color. I know it may take a little bit of time, but 5 to 7 minutes is all it really needs to be. We'd be doing this in our notebooks today. I would say a letter and walk around and have them write a letter or a number or draw a shape for me. So you can try it at home, or if there's a big brother or sister who wants to pretend they're the teacher, have them try it. But only 5 to 7 minutes. That's all you need. All right, guys, find your picture that's a heart, and it has some funny shapes in it. This is called a globe in the middle of our heart. And our sentence says, I love the earth. So you pick your favorite color, and we're going to trace that first. Remember, everything starts at the top. So start it with your word I. Trace all your letters. I love, follow those broken lines, the earth. And do you know what the earth is? We all live on the earth. The earth is one of our planets. And that is where we live. We live on the earth. And up here on our globe, these other broken lines, these are the different continents, and there are 7 continents. And when you're in about the 2nd or 3rd grade, you'll start to learn all about those continents. But right here we have the northern continent and the southern continent. And we live in the northern continent, or otherwise known as North America. So this is North America. And then down at the end of Florida, it goes into South America. So I want you to, and there are 2 colors that are on your globe. The oceans, which are all of this space around the continents, that is blue. So our earth is made up of land, here and here, and water. And 71% of our earth is made up of water. So most of the earth is water. So we're going to trace our continents in green. So find a green and carefully trace around the northern continent. Follow those broken lines. Don't race. Some of you like to get in a big old hurry. Want to trace them as carefully as possible. To trace both sides of your heart there. Following all the broken lines around. After you get all your broken lines of your continents traced, we're going to carefully color them in green. Stay inside your lines as best as possible. So color in your continents carefully. After you get your continents colored in, you're going to color in your water. So your oceans are what's out here in our continents, outside of our continents. And then we have our lakes, which are in our different states that we have. Some of you like to go to the lake in the summertime. And we have our rivers, which when we go to Napoleon or we go to Defiance, we go across the bridge that has the Maumee River, which is closest to us. If you go up to Toledo, you can go into Lake Erie, which is our closest lake beside us. And then we have our little streams, like the one that runs through town here in Holgate, or maybe you have a little stream by your house. It's just a little body of water. So color all your oceans in there, and then find a red crayon and trace the outside of your heart. And why do we love our earth? Our earth gives us a place to live. It gives us animals. It gives us plants. It gives us fun things we can do. And we want to take care of it. We don't want to be a litter bug. We don't want to throw our trash places it doesn't belong. And we want to try to recycle as much as we can so our earth stays happy and healthy.